This quick tutorial will explain how to schedule an appointment through your site administration page. The first step is to make sure you are on your appointment page by clicking on the Appointments tab at the top. Once you're on your appointment page, select the date on the left from the small calendar. Then select the time slot under the correct staff member's schedule. You can click in the white space or the plus sign to open the Make Appointment window. If your customer has scheduled with you before, then you can use the drop-down menu or search box, whichever one you're using, to find their name. When you click on their name, it will automatically fill in their contact information. If they have not scheduled with you before and they are a new customer, you can fill in their information while you're scheduling their appointment, and it will create their profile in the database. Any notes that you put in the customer notes box will be saved in that customer's profile and automatically date stamped. So you'll see these notes on all of their future appointments in the left side right here. Click the next button. On this screen, you're going to select the service. The staff member will already be selected for you, the time and the duration, and cost if there is a cost. You can always change the duration while you're scheduling the appointment or the cost. Anything that you put in the special instructions box can show in the email confirmation and reminder that goes out to the customer. You can also have it display in the email confirmation that goes to the staff member. Appointment notes, internal only, are notes about this specific appointment. The customer would never see these notes. Click Next to go to the next screen. As long as you have the notifications boxes checked here to send the appointment confirmation to the customer and the staff member, they will receive it as soon as you finalize the appointment. If you do not want those email notifications to go out, simply uncheck the boxes. Then finalize your appointment. Close the window. If you need help or have questions, feel free to contact our support department. We'd be happy to help you.